Hi, it's Thursday, May 14th, and here is our word work for today. We'll start with our rhyming. Repeat after me. Town had. Town and had don't rhyme. Cry high. Cry and high rhyme. Child mild. Yep, child and mild rhyme. Run here. Nope, run in here don't rhyme. In, on. It's a close one, but nope, they don't have the same sounding. Okay, onset fluency, repeat after me. Just, jelly, ja. King, count, ka. Little, late, bull. Many, march, Pack, pole, pup. Okay, we're going to blend our onset sound with our rhyme sound to make the word. T, n, ten. S, ing, sing. V, an, van. P, asked, past. K, ind, kind. Okay, we're going to do our medial middle sounds. H, av, a. F, l, e. T, in, it. D, og, ah. L, uck, Okay, we're going to segment. Get your choppers out. Ran, an. Your turn. Gown, own. Cat, at. Dog, og. Kid, id. Okay, good job. Now we're going to be adding our phonemes. We're going to start with an, add f at the beginning to make fan. Start with ed, add b at the beginning to make bed. Start with id, add k at the beginning to make kid. Start with og, add ol at the beginning to make log. Start with uck, add d at the beginning to make duck. Now we're going to take away. Start with the word back, take away b, what's left? Ack. Start with the word pen, take away p, what's left? N. Start with the word fin, take away f, what's left? In. Start with the word pot, take away p, what's left? Ought. Start with the word nut, take away n, what's left? Ut. Good job. Okay, our nursery rhyme. Wee Willie Winky runs through the town. Upstairs and downstairs. In his nightgown. Tapping at the windows. Crying at the lock. Are all the children in their beds? You'll have to tune in tomorrow to find out the last line of that